In this video, I'm going to show you how to fix Riot Vanguard Crash error. To start, we will want to make sure that Riot Vanguard is closed. Open the Hidden Icons menu, then right-click on Vanguard and choose to exit. Open the Start menu. Search for Services, then open the Services app. Scroll down and find the VGC service. This is Vanguard. Right-click on the VGC service and choose to open the properties. Expand the Startup Type menu and select Automatic. Apply your settings. Click the Start button, then wait for the process to finish. Click OK and close. Open the Start menu. Search for System Configuration, then open the app. Switch to the Services tab. Check the box at the bottom to hide all Microsoft services. Find VGC and check the box to enable it if it isn't already. Click Apply, then OK to confirm. Select Restart and your PC will restart. If you have documents you need to save, then be sure to do so first, then restart manually. After your PC has restarted, test Valorant. If you're still getting the Vanguard Crash issue, then open the Start menu. Search for Startup Apps, then open it. Scroll down and find the Vanguard Tray Notification app. Turn it on if it isn't already, then restart your PC. If the Vanguard Crash issue isn't fixed, then make sure you're not connected to a VPN or try using an Ethernet connection. If you're still having Vanguard Crash issues, then open the Start menu. Search for Control Panel, then open it. Make sure the View by Mode is set to Category, then select the Uninstall a Program text. Select the search bar at the top, then type in Riot. Select Riot Vanguard, then click the Uninstall button. Click Yes when asked to allow changes. Then click Yes again to confirm you want to uninstall. Open Valorant and Riot Vanguard should automatically reinstall. If you see an Update button, then click it to install Vanguard. When Vanguard has installed, you should see a message saying the game requires a system restart. Restart your PC, then try playing Valorant. The Riot Vanguard Crash error will now be fixed.